Hiccups can be more than a minor annoyance, just ask Charles Osborne, who holds the record for the longest hiccup spell ever recorded. This unfortunate man experienced continuous hiccups for an astounding 68 years. Starting in 1922 while attempting to weigh a hog before slaughter, Osborne's hiccups persisted until 1990, a medical mystery that baffled doctors and researchers alike. Despite numerous attempts to cure him, including various medications and alternative therapies, nothing could put an end to his relentless hiccuping. Charles Osborne's astonishing and somewhat tragic experience serves as a reminder of the strange and unpredictable nature of the human body.